In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shortcut to a file in Google Drive. Fix today here, let's begin. First, go to the Google Drive website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your Google Drive dashboard loads, look at the left sidebar and click Shared with Me. This section shows files and folders that other people have shared with you. From the list, locate the file or folder you want to create a shortcut for. Once you find it, right-click on the file or folder to open the context menu. From the options that appear, select Organize, then click Add Shortcut. A new window will appear asking where you want to place the shortcut. Choose My Drive or select a specific folder inside your drive where you want the shortcut to appear. After selecting the destination, click Add. This will create a shortcut in the location you selected, allowing you to quickly access the shared file from your own drive without moving the original file. There is also another way to add a shortcut if you already have the file open. Simply open the shared file directly from your Google Drive. Once the file is open, look at the top area near the file title. You'll see a Google Drive icon with a plus sign next to it. Click that icon to create a shortcut. After clicking the icon, choose the folder where you want the shortcut to appear in your drive. Once you select the destination folder, click Add Shortcut here. This will place a shortcut to the file in that folder so you can access it quickly from your main drive structure. Using shortcuts is helpful when you frequently access shared files or want to organize them within your own folders without changing the original file location. It simply creates a reference to the file so you can easily find it from your preferred folder. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.